Welcome to this new episode, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker volume too low on iPhone. So if your iPhone speaker volume is too low or the volume level is close to zero, then you just need to use this to increase the volume, just like this. That's the side button to increase the volume. Once you press the side button up, that's the up volume button, like this. This will increase the volume. So let's say the volume is way too low and it's just like this. Yet the iPhone is not on silent mode. All you need to do is use the volume button up like this to increase the volume. That's the one way to fix iPhone speaker volume too low. Or go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, locate sound and haptics and click on that. Then under ringtone and alert, make sure you increase this slider to the very end, just like this. So you can see this speaker volume is too low while it is here, and this phone is not actually on silent or on mute mode. Then you can just increase to the middle or increase to the very end. You can see that. So this is how you can easily increase your iPhone speaker volume if it is too low or the volume is too low for your liking. So if you found this really helpful, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.